I will talk about how can you add vehicle on your PaybyPhone app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on vehicles here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just click here in this sign here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You come here to state, just click on it here, and here you select state, then here license plate, and here vehicle type, description, then you click here on add vehicle, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.